Hello, my dear friends. Here is Justina again. I'm here to talk to you again about digital business. I'm here to talk to you about business. Maybe you are out there and you want to start a business, but you don't know what to do. What are you doing? Sign up at adombooks.com and learn more. You will get an ebook. You will get instructions on how to start your own business. Starting your own business is one of the best things. I'm so enjoying it. As you can see, I'm at work, but I still have my time to do little things that I have to do to start to gain my business, to work on my business. There's a saying that said, faith is taking the first step even if you don't see the staircase. And that is what I'm about to tell you now. Sign up and let us work together. It's rewarding. The rewarding is so much that you don't want to miss it. So come, let us work together. It's a step-by-step business. It's a digital business. We are in internet world now, and you need to sign up and let us work together. It's so easy. It's so rewarding. If you are looking for a creative business, if you are looking to get your own business, to call it your own, you are working for yourself. You are not working for anybody. Let us do it together. It's so easy. What are you doing? Sign up. Sign up at adombooks.com and we will work together. It's so rewarding. Don't be left behind. Thank you and hope to see you.